Good morning, dear kids. Today I'll be taking your topic numbers. In numbers, we'll be doing fractions and addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions. Let's start. Number 1, if I give you to add the following pair of numbers. In that, suppose first if I give you minus 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. So when you have such kind of fractions are called as like fractions because they have the same denominator. In that case, to add or subtract becomes very easy because the denominator is same. You do not have to take any kind of LCM. So the answer will be minus 1 by 4. But when you have different denominator, for example, if I give you minus 5 by 26 and 8 by 39. In that case, my dear kids, you have to get the LCM of 39 and 26 together. And if you find your LCM here will be 78. Once you got 78, you have to make each fraction's denominator to be 78. To make 26 to be 78, you have to multiply with 3. That will be 15 upon 78 minus 15 upon 78. And to make 8 by 39 to be 78 as denominator, you have to multiply with 2. So that will be 16 upon 78. So first fraction you got minus 15 upon 78. I'll erase this part. So first fraction you got as minus 15 upon 78 and second fraction you got as 16 upon 78. Now the denominators are equal. They became the like fractions. So you can directly do the calculation and your answer is 1 upon 78. Is that clear? Similarly, my dear kids, you have to solve for number 1. That will be your task. Number 1, minus 5 by 8 and you have to add. And 6 by 4. Number 2, 6 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. Number 3, minus 8 by 13 and 4 by 26. Number 4, we have minus 2 by 1 and 2 by 5. And number 5, 9 by 4 and minus 3 by 8. Is that clear? Can you do that? Yes. Next we have as we'll be doing subtractions. Okay? Okay, let's start. Okay, if I give you something like this, 2 upon 3 minus 4 by 5. So similar pattern, you have to first take the LCM of the denominator if the denominators are different. So the LCM is 15. You have to make 3 as 15. So you will multiply by 5 and you have to make 5 as 15. So you will multiply by 3. So that will be 10 upon 15 minus 12 upon 15 and that will be minus 2 upon 15. Is that clear? So similarly, you have a task for this. Number 1, minus 4 by 9 minus 2 by 3. Number 2, minus 1 minus 4 by 9. Number 3, minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by 14. Number 4, 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Number 5, 1 upon 4 minus 3 upon 8. Got my point clear? Okay. Then we'll go for multiplication of fractions. Let's start. If I suppose give you minus 14 upon 5 into minus 6 upon 7. So you can Go with 7 table, you will get minus 2 here. So it will be minus 2 into minus 6, that will be plus 12 and upon 5. Now this is improper fraction, so you have to give your answer into mixed fraction always. So that will be your answer. Clear? Suppose if I give you 7 upon 6 and 18 upon 91, minus 18 upon 91. You can take this with a table of 3 and here you can go for 1 and 3, 13. So your answer is minus 3 upon 13. Isn't it easy? Shall I give you a task? Okay, for multiplication, your first is 125, 4, 16, 5. Second is 72 here. Here I'll give you 9. Here 5, 35. Third is minus 2 by 3, 5 by 4. Fourth is minus 5 into 2 upon 15. Fifth is minus 6 into 2 upon 9. Is that clear? Can you do that? Okay. Next I'll be taking your division. My dear kids, whenever you have division, for example, if I give you 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4, so in that case, जो division के बाद वाला fraction है, I will change this division sign into multiplication and जो division के बाद वाला fraction है, वो reciprocate हो जाएगा. So what you will do now? Multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So you got something like this. And you have to convert this into mixed fraction and give your answer. Easy? So always remember division के बाद वाला जो fraction है उसको आपको reciprocate करना है if you are converting this sign into multiplication. Clear? And the task 4 is number 1 minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 9. नीचे कुछ नहीं मतलब 1 है. Minus 5 divided by minus 10 upon 11. 3 divided by 3 upon 5. Minus 21 upon 16 divided by 7 upon 8. And 8 upon 5 divided by 25 and here 24 upon 25. Clear? So you have to finish off these problems and let me know if you have any doubt. God bless.